Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Fanttik vacuum cleaners. On the left, I got the Fanttik Slim V9 Mix car vacuum, and on the right, this is the Fold V10 Apex. So let's start off, let's compare the differences, and then I'll show you how each one of them cleans. Now the Fanttik Slim V9, I like how it fits in your hand. Now it's a vacuum and a blower, so you get two in one. You simply just press the button, hold it for a little bit. It's going to start off in low, press it again, go to high, press it again, and it goes off. And then if we want to convert it to a blower, we've got these other attachments, put it in on the other end, and now same thing. Turn it on, low, low, press it again quickly, high, hold it, and it turns off. It has a nice display, shows you the battery percentage level. Now when we're all done and we need to empty it out, we simply just open this little lever right here, press the button, and everything comes out. I do like this little handheld. It just seems like it's the easiest to use. It charges with USB-C. Now let's go to the Fold. So it folds up into this position right here for easy storage. Press this button and we can go into different levels, different positions where it'll lock into place. It's got a crevice tool that extends. We got brushes that we can put on and off. This is just a really nice vacuum. Turn it on. Display starts in low, go to high. Turn it off. When we're all done, we simply open the lever, everything's gonna come out. When we need to clean it further, press this button, rotate it. We got a HEPA filter here. We can take this all, clean it, let it dry overnight. And again, this one also charges with USB-C right there. So I love that they charge with USB-C. That's a nice feature. And again, folds up. Really neat how that folds up. Let's go see how they compare to each other. Okay, here we got a big mess. Turn it on. Starts off in low. Let's go to high. Again, we got a crevice tool. Low. Let's go to high. Okay, so I thought they both did a really good job. If you want something just a little bit smaller, then I love how this fits in your hand. This one is meant for just a little bit bigger jobs, but it is bigger. But it does pivot or fold. It's the pivot or fold. It folds up really nice. All right, let's simulate going to the trash can. Open this up. Everything's gonna come out. This one here, take your tool off. Open it up. Everything does kind of stick to the filter a little bit, so you may have to take the filter off. So the pivot or fold might be a little bit easier to empty. But with this one, now I convert it to a blower. Very easy, just take that on and put that on. So I do feel like the pivot might have been a little bit more powerful, but it is bigger and it does empty out a little bit easier. But if you need something just lightweight, portable with a built-in blower, then I absolutely love this one. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.